Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a good law in your country. You should say what is the law, how you came to know about this law, whom does it affect, and explain why you think it is a good law. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So for a question like this, you can talk about any kind of law, maybe related to environment or related to drink driving or maybe related to smoking, okay? So now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Laws are crucial in a nation as they ensure general safety and help protect our rights as citizens against abuses by other people, by organizations, and by the government itself. And today, I would like to talk about the right to education law. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. So, crucial means important. Abuse means to misuse. Here, abuse means to say something bad to someone. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, this legislation was passed in 2009 and aims to provide free and compulsory education to every child irrespective of their gender, caste, and socio-economic status. So, legislation is another synonym for saying law. So, we avoided repeating the word that was already in the question. Compulsory means mandatory. Irrespective means without any kind of discrimination or bias based on gender, like if you are male and female, or based upon your caste or even your socio-economic status, which means if you are poor or rich. So this law is applicable for all children. It does not discriminate if you are rich or if someone is poor or if someone is a boy or if someone is a girl, but it guarantees free education to all children. Okay, that's what we are trying to say here. I actually became aware of this law during my school days, particularly when I had my social science class. So, became aware, that means came to know about it. So, the second question, which is how you came to know about this, instead of saying the same words that was already in the question, we said I became aware, that means come to know about something. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, this convention positively affects children in the age group of 6 to 14 years and guarantees them free and compulsory education. So, convention again is a synonym for saying law. It is also relevant for the parents of kids if they are unable to provide education to the young ones due to unforeseen personal circumstances. They can easily approach government institutions for the admission of their children. So, relevant means it is meaningful. Young ones, again, instead of repeating kids and children, we have used another synonym. So, it is a good idea to just pause the video and write down the synonyms of the words as I am saying, which will be quite helpful in your speaking and it will actually increase your band scores for your lexical resources part. Unforeseen, that means something that you do not know or something that you cannot predict in advance. Okay. Alright, so we have answered the first 3 questions. Now, the last question, which is explain why you think it is a good law, still remains. So, let's answer that. Finally, I feel that this regulation is important and quite beneficial for the elementary kids as it is essential for their overall development and growth and plays a significant role in shaping the future of our society. So, elementary kids, that means kids in the age group of 6 to 14 years. Essential means important. Significant again means important or essential. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.